Wala eh.
Doon yata, doon. We can cut mo para we can go inside alone.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pasok.
Mabubo kayo. Magandang umaga po at welcome back to Manila. Senator Bongo. Si Senator Bongo po ay napakaraming tinulungan sa Manila. Name it. Kahit lamay. Simula sa lamay hanggang sa mga malalaking pangangailangan ng aming mga kababayan. I, for one, is a witness of it. So that's why, thank you very much. In fact, yung Malasakit Center, nag-umpisa sa kilometer 0. Dito yan sa Maynila. And Malasakit Center is now all over the country. And malaking bagay po yung ginawa ninyo noon na Senator. And we are on behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much sa inyo. Thank you. Ating partner, napakasipag, Doc Gap. Totoo po yung minsan pinagkukwento niya hanggang madaling araw kasi si Gap, kahit gabi pwedeng i-text o kahit early morning pwedeng tawagan. We always wanted to partners with the national government. Especially nowadays, in the case of City of Manila with our fiscal challenges. At I'm happy to our fellow Manileños. Ito yung totoong konsepto. Kapag iisang antena o frequency ng National Executive Body, National Legislative Body, and the local government, if they are in sync or in synchrony towards delivery of public service, ito po tayo ngayon. Ito yung resulta. Magkakasama-sama tayo. Mag-aalay tayo ng programang I think magiging kapaki-pakinabang sa ating mga mamamayan. Mano pa sa may mga sakit natin. And this is our own little way of showing support to our partner, UPPGH, and to others. Basta ang importante, ang isang common is taong bayan. And showing also our commitment to continue to deliver on what I believe personally. Where should the government invest? And beyond. Literally and beyond. Minimum basic needs. Healthcare, education, housing, and jobs. That's where your city government is going. That's where your city government is going to spend every single cent. Pagpapataas ng antas ng pamumuhay ng tao. Quality of life. If we have roof, those who doesn't have, or mga mahihirap nating kababayan, maayos, matiwasay na bahay, as you have heard about Condominium 1, Condominium 2, Binondominium 1, San Lazaro Residence, San Sebastian Residence, Pedro Hill Residence. These are 42 square meter, 2-bedroom, in-city vertical housing, and the Base Community Townhouse. And we're going to build, again, this coming first quarter of the city, of the 2026. So, kami excited. May nagkabulungan kami ni Gap kanina. I'm praying. Sana maging successful. I'm praying because with that success today, ni awan Diyos, marami pang buhay na madudugtungan ang UP PGH. Ang PGH itself as an institution will now be, imagine yourself, only God knows who's going to live or die. But you have now a tool, knowledge, practical experience na makapagdagdag ng buhay ng isang tao. Mailagay siya sa malusog na pananampalataya. Kaya to the PGH community, rest assured that you have city government of Manila will work hand in hand with you. And thank you in advance. Kasi nag-umpisa na tayo doon sa aming sa ospital ng Maynila. Marami na kaming kasi ang Maynila President Cap ang Manileño Presidenta daw, Presidente. Atin natin kung dapat nagpe-Presidente. Yung mga Manileño maraming may minahal. Sa dami ng minahal nila, nagbara mga puso nila. Kaya dudut-dutin namin yun with your help, with science, equipment, and skills, and medical professionals. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to unclog PGH, to unclog Heart Center. That there is local government unit also investing in the same way that the national government hospital is doing. So, kapag nagtuloy-tuloy niya, wala nang maiiwanan. And alam naman natin, yung mga ganong klaseng senaryo ay mga life-threatening situation ng mga kababayan natin. So, kaya thank you very much. Huwag niyo kaming pabayaan ni Director Padilla. But rest assured, we are really, despite of cash-strapped kami, despite of all the problems, kapag hindi naman mauubos ang problema. Kaya lang, mas marami yung pangarap namin kaysa sa problema. Kaya, we are always focused. We don't want to be disturbed by noise. Patuloy kaming mamumuhunan sa aming mga bahay pangkalusugan. And today, we are grateful to Senator Bongo na kayo'y naglagay ng pondo ng mga panahon na yun. And maraming salamat kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. We give credit where it's due for supporting this program of PGH. In our own little way, dito, manawa na kayo rito. You can use it as long as you want. That may at least ease and give level of comfort to our patients. Especially, it will save some economic challenges of our constituents and maybe those people who will come in and out of Manila because PGH is the best. They go to PGH. So, but later on, pag tinuruan nyo kami ng tinuruan, mga doktor, baka naman, pagbubuti kami, gagaling din kami, masaya na kaming maging pangalawang magaling. Yes, Lord, mas sumahaba ang kamay natin, mas marami tayong mayayakap. And that's, I think, the concept of public service. National and local, in synchrony, towards a particular common goal, which is public healthcare services. Ito ang ginagawa. So, sa aming mga partners, o sa mga gustong mag-donate O, diretso na ninyo rito sa Balay Linga. Dito niya nadalhin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ako, sigurado ako, pag nag-donate kayo sa PGH, may kalalagyan. Ay, for one, testibong buhay. Talagang masisino at mainam na ginagastos sa mga mabubuting may puso, mabubuting puso na nakikinig at manonood. Welcome kayo sa PGH. Medyo pa-slice naman kayo ng kaunti. And let's be man for others. Like, Father, tama ba? May sinabi sa Biblia. Let your light shine for the greater glory of God. Tama ba yun?
Tama.
Ayun. Pasensya ka na, English eh. But again, I am happy and grateful to PGH, kay Pangulong Duterte, kay Senator Bongo. We're happy to be partner, and rest assured, in the coming days, weeks, and months, for years, as long as I'm here, huwag kayong mag-alanganin na katukin kami, kasi kami ni Padilla, hindi kami mahiyang katukin kayo. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo na kung may kapal. Maraming salamat po.